How to resolve the hibernate.cfg.xml not found error in Hibernate Applications. When working with Hibernate, one of the common errors developers encounter is the hibernate.cfg.xml not found error. This can be frustrating but is typically straightforward to resolve. Here's a structured approach to diagnosing and fixing the issue in your Java Hibernate application. Understanding the hibernate.cfg.xml file. The hibernate.cfg.xml file is the core configuration file for Hibernate. It includes important settings such as connection URL, dialect, driver class, user credentials, and mapping resource information. Without this configuration, Hibernate cannot function correctly. Common causes and solutions. 1. File placement. The hibernate.cfg.xml file must be placed in the root of the class path. Typically, this means it should be located in the src/main/resources directory of your project. Ensure it is not within any subdirectory under resources unless additional configuration is made to reference the specific subdirectory. 2. Incorrect file name. Make sure the configuration file is named precisely hibernate.cfg.xml. Any deviation in the name, such as a typo, will result in this error. 3. Class path issues. If your project setup does not correctly include the src/main/resources directory in the build path, Hibernate will be unable to find the file. Ensure your build tool, Maven, Gradle, etc., is correctly configured to include this directory. 4. Manifest configuration. In some cases, particularly with non-standard project structures, you may need to explicitly include the hibernate.cfg.xml file in the jar manifest as a class path resource. 5. Logging and debugging. Enable detailed logging in Hibernate to better understand where the process is failing. This can be done by setting the appropriate logging level in your log4j.properties or log4j.xml file. 6. IDE configuration. Check your IDE's run and build configurations. Sometimes, the IDE might not be correctly configured to include the resource directories properly in the runtime class path. Example configuration. Here's an example of how your hibernate.cfg.xml should be structured. Ensuring each of the potential issues listed above is addressed should help resolve the hibernate.cfg.xml not found error, allowing your Hibernate application to function as expected. Conclusion. By carefully checking the file placement, name, class path inclusions, IDE configurations, and enabling detailed logging, you should be able to resolve the hibernate.cfg.xml not found error effectively. Hibernate is a powerful ORM tool, and overcoming these initial configuration hurdles will pave the way to more advanced usage and understanding.